Assalamu alaikum. Today is the 24th of the October and last night as per my daily routines. I was very busy while just interpretation of the constitutional laws. When I just interpret a humanitarian clause and I just observe that the constitutional observations and the utmost reproduction this would have been considered by the Republicans that what is the internal and the external civil war in the Pakistan. The proposition regarding the same, when we just observe the telecasting shows while observing ourselves, while in the self-explanations to the applied governance, if any government employee is working there, he or she is so objected with the question that what is the main purpose of the frame lines that if the common individuals are not willing to extend their mental approach to understand the governance policies, the government policies and the object of the common sides and the citizens, if a citizen itself or the resident and the non-resident today, I would be very glad to discuss this matter that there is a difference between resident, non-resident, citizen, non-citizen. These four sub-clauses apparently posing in the public sector, and after that what we appear is the dharna culture in the Pakistan. Okay, we should be very clear that what apparently posing is dharna culture. If someone is saying that he or she is not objected with the dharna culture, and one person who is the sitting prime minister of the Pakistan, and the second is the president, and we respect all of them. But the question is that if the public policy is being infringed by the same, and they are found as to overbreaking uh, the law of the land, thereafter they are not the lawmakers. They are not. They are the if they are charged with the heinous criminal activities, then what we expect from a layman in the Pakistan, that what is the purpose of the same? This is a question which is posing in electronic channels, and today it is a very great loss that a media person had been killed or murdered or whatsoever. But my tremendous opinion is that that is a murder, because if he is working in the media, that is not attacked, he is murdered. So the question regarding the public policy and the education of the public is a question which the public do not want to understand, because when you just try to make them horrified with the education, they just meant to be not clubbed with the same. I'm totally hopeless today regarding the consensus of the public opinions regarding their advancement of the relationships of the execution of their rights, the extinguishment of the liabilities with the responsibilities within the central domains under the subdivisional areas via criminal activities raised as per 5 1 over 5, yes. So my depiction of the facts regarding the opposition points of the public is that the republic and the public, one should be very clear that the Pakistan is made, and we have so many amenities, the public amenities, and we are causing the disturbance within there. The public maintenance order 1916 would be accrued over them. The officers observe they are wearing the blue shirts for part of the Islamabad capital police. And then what we observe the next is a crime scene in the telecasting shows. So if the observation and the reservation points of the Republicans are not in their observation sectors, thereafter what they can achieve is a question. The next generation of the Republicans is a question. The question regarding the observations of the consensus of working is a baseline answer to the subject line constitutional article 199 as per my observation from the last month of the October, because it is October is about to end, and we are very reserved with ourselves that the questions which are not being portrayed by the political parties is the answer to the republic itself. Stay blessed, Advocate Gulraiz King, the Constitutional Advanced Comparative Advocate Gulraiz Shfaq.